Like this PDF daily test I will send. Weekly test, Monday to Friday, at 100 per month. For more details WhatsApp. +91 89405 69789. English major topics 10 marks. PGTRB psychology test. In English, 5 marks. PGTRB GK 5 marks. In English, blank. 20 marks. Blank. Here are the multiple choice questions, MCQs, based on your request. The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan. What does the Slough of Despond symbolize in the Pilgrim's Progress? A. Religious doubt and despair. B. The journey to heaven. C. Vanity and pride. D. Christian sin. Answer. A. Religious doubt and despair. Who is the first person Christian meets after leaving the city of destruction? A. Evangelist. B. Faithful. C. Pliable. D. Apollyon. Answer. A. Evangelist. What does the character, hopeful, represent in the story? A. Faith in material wealth. B. Spiritual encouragement. C. Secular doubt. D. Sinful temptation. Answer. B. Spiritual encouragement. Which character leads Christian off the path and into the bypath meadow? A. Faithful. B. Ignorance. C. Worldly wiseman. D. Vain confidence. Answer. D. Vain confidence. Where is Christian imprisoned by giant despair? A. Vanity Fair. B. Celestial city. C. Doubting Castle. D. Hill of difficulty. Answer. C. Doubting Castle. John Bunyan's life and work. In which year was John Bunyan imprisoned, during which he wrote The Pilgrim's Progress? A. 1675. B. 1660. C. 1645. D. 1688. Answer. B. 1660. Which religious denomination did John Bunyan belong to? A. Puritan. B. Anglican. C. Quaker. D. Baptist. Answer. D. Baptist. John Bunyan's writing was most influenced by which historical event? A. English Civil War. B. The Glorious Revolution. C. The Protestant Reformation. D. The Restoration. Answer. A. English Civil War. What is the title of John Bunyan's spiritual autobiography? A. Grace Abounding to the Chief of Sinners. B. The Holy War. C. The Life of a Pilgrim. D. Apology for the Life of John Bunyan. Answer. A. Grace Abounding to the Chief of Sinners. Which of the following was not a significant influence on Bunyan's work? A. His experiences in war. B. His time in prison. C. His pastoral ministry. D. His travels outside England. Answer. D. His travels outside England. PGTRB Educational Psychology, Unit 2. Which of the following is central to Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development? A. Classical conditioning. B. Schemas. C. Self-actualization. D. Social modeling. Answer. B. Schemas. According to Lev Vygotsky, which concept explains the gap between what learners can do alone and what they can achieve with help? A. Assimilation. B. Zone of proximal development, ZPD. C. Equilibration. D. Scaffolding. Answer. B. Zone of proximal development, ZPD. Which principle underlines Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences? A. Intelligence is uniform and measurable. B. Intelligence is multifaceted and cannot be reduced to a single ability. C. Intelligence is inherited and unchangeable. D. Intelligence is entirely dependent on academic performance. Answer. B. Intelligence is multifaceted and cannot be reduced to a single ability. B. F. Skinner is best known for his work in which field of psychology? A. Psychoanalysis. B. Operant conditioning. C. Humanistic psychology. D. Cognitive psychology. Answer. B. Operant conditioning. Which type of memory is responsible for temporarily holding and processing information in the brain? A. Sensory memory. B. Long-term memory. C. Working memory. D. Implicit. TRB General Knowledge, Unit 2. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? A. Mother Teresa. B. Marie Curie. C. Rosalind Franklin. D. Ada Lovelace. Answer. B. Marie Curie. Which is the largest desert in the world? A. Gobi. B. Sahara. C. Antarctica. D. Kalahari. Answer. C. Antarctica. Who invented the first successful airplane? A. Alexander Graham Bell. B. Wright brothers. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Thomas Edison. Answer B. Wright brothers. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus. B. Earth. C. Mercury. D. Mars. Answer C. Mercury. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Brisbane. Answer C. Canberra. We are providing all major weekly test batch at 100. Join now. And we are providing all kinds of school project, teaching aids, record writing work for all degree members. If you need this service, text me. All competitive exam MCQ bank at low cost. For PGTRB, UGTRB, CTET, TNTET, KTET, all kinds of teachers requirement exam in SK Mangal educational psychology based only. Most of the MCQs are coming. So if you need it, this book oriented MCQ bank at low cost means call now. PGTRB English question bank at low cost hours. 1000 only. For all major weekly test PDF will send. This service cost only 100 rupees per month. Call now.